Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add captions in Premiere Pro. If you're ready, as a first step, click the Windows tab in the menu above. Then, click on Text. As you can see, the text panel has opened. Now, click on your video once in the timeline. Then, click the Transcribe button in the text panel. It will then automatically generate a transcript of your video. As you can see, the transcript has been created. Now, click the Create Captions icon in the text panel. If you wish, you can change the default captioning settings by clicking on Captioning Preferences. After customizing all the settings as you wish, click the Create Captions button. As you can see, the captions have been created successfully. If you want to change a caption, you can double-click on it to modify it. This is the final version of my video with the caption added. I hope this step-by-step how to add captions in Premiere Pro tutorial video was informative and helpful. If so, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other tutorial videos. Have a good day.